Are you ready to become a summing master in Excel? Great, let's get started. First things first, we need to total up the sales of different products over the course of 4 weeks in this table. And don't worry, we're going to show you the 2 easiest and fastest ways to do it. No need to break a sweat, or your brain. First up, we have the sum formula. Just click into the cell where you want the sum to appear. We're going to use C10 for this example, and type an equals sign followed by sum. Then, add an opening bracket, select the range of cells you want to add up. We're going for C4 to C9 for the sales of the first week, add a closing bracket, and hit enter. It's like magic. But wait, there's an even easier way. Just click into the cell where you want the sum to appear. We're using D10 this time, and go to the Home tab, in the Editing section. From there, select Auto Sum and Excel will automatically highlight the cells it thinks you might want to add up. It's like it's reading your mind. Just hit enter and that's it. You just summed up values in Excel like a boss. Now let's calculate the sales for the other weeks. Just copy the formula from the cell where you did the sum, D10 in our case, by clicking the lower right corner of that cell, and dragging the formula across the rest of the columns. It's like you're cloning the formula. And to sum up values in rows, it's just the same process. Click on the cell under the total column where you want the sum to appear. We're using G4 for this example. Go to the Home tab, in the Editing section, and select Auto Sum. Hit enter, and then double-click the lower right corner of the selected cell G4, to copy the formula across the rows that need to be calculated. It's like you're spreading the summing love. And there you have it. You just learned how to easily sum up values in rows and columns in Excel. Congrats, you're a summing superstar. Go forth and conquer those spreadsheets.